Hey guys, today December the 1st, we're down at the beautiful Westin Hotel, Grand Cayman. Just to show you a little bit of the lobby. It's a beautiful resort, guys. We'll include a link in it in the bio below or above, so that if you guys want to go ahead and book, you can. But beautiful lobby, guys. Wouldn't we all like this to have host our friends and family? So here we go. Oh, and look at the Christmas tree, guys. All right, let's tell you a little bit about, well, I'll get closer to the little Christmas tree, guys. This is so much a resemblance of Cayman culture. The baskets, a lot of our ladies make these baskets and of course sell them. They're made out of, believe it or not, silver thatch. They get dried and look what's made. Then there's our fish. There's our pineapple, another part of our whole part of Cayman, our sea turtle. There we have it. And then here's what I want to let you guys, let's see, can we, and again, some people pronounce it as C-A-Y, Cayman, but it's C-A-Y-M-A-N, but some people say K-A-Y-M-A-N. All right, so there you have it. There's a lot there about the Westin Hotel and Cayman history, but again, I just thought it was so fitting for them to do a Christmas tree and all the paraphernalia that makes up a lot of our Cayman logo, emblem. Let's go on. There's a pool outside. There is a beautiful pool outside. We'll go out there in a minute and show you more of it. Again, if you guys, there's another side on the north side of it. I love all the glass, guys. It, again, we're at the front of the lobby. Sorry, there's at the front of the guests, the bellman, sorry. And I like all the glass. It allows you to have such a great view of the outside. Hey Penny, how are you? Good. So there you have it, guys. I just spotted somebody that I know. All right, let's go outside. And all right, there you have it. There is the beautiful pool. Over there you have a resort for if you want to go book snorkel trips, fishing trips, diving trips, dinner cruises. All that good stuff. Here is more of the sit down. All right, cabanas. This is so nice, and the weather is so beautiful today, guys. December the 1st. Sometimes we have it, I know you guys might laugh, but sometimes we have winter where it's so wintry. It's great for people to work here, but if you're trying to do water sports, it becomes so wintry that it becomes windy, choppy, that we have to cancel all our water sports. But because it is so we it's cool, like the humidity is not bad at all, but yet it's not windy. It doesn't cause the winds to be choppy at all. Yeah. So there you have it here. Let's walk down by the pool, I mean by the beach, show you guys the beach, see what it looks like today. Showing you all the, if you want to get out of the sun, if you want to get more of the sun, you just go on the beach. If you want some shade. They've remodeled the hotel, I think quite a few times actually. And so it just seems to get prettier each time, yeah? So we headed down here. Yeah, beautiful day today, December the 1st, 2023. And again, sometimes in the winter we can have so much wind that it makes it so choppy. It makes it cooler, but again, for water sports, it makes it so choppy that sometimes you can't actually get in the, you can't swim because the waves are bumping you around, right? So yes, it's cool for if you want to do a land tour and all that, but for actual doing water sports, then that can be a different story altogether. So having a good humidity today, not too hot and then not too windy, makes it a perfect day for being swimming. All right, so showing you down the beach. That's what it looks like down our beach here. Again, we are next to what you call the governor's house as well, kind of almost in the middle of 7 Mile Beach. Up to your east, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's the cruise ships. I don't know if you can see that from here. try to zoom in. Didn't bring my tripod, so it's hard to zoom in on the closer. But again, just want to show you that's down the whole. There's some more condos. We got into about 10 stores on our condos here in Grand Cayman. A lot of those are for sale. Some are privately owned and don't get rented out. Some of them get sold, bought, and go into the daily rentals. But yeah, so hopefully it's been helpful to you guys to give you an idea of what the Westin Hotel Grand Cayman looks like. I will then go over to my left. Just hold on, walking off from the beach. I'll go off to the left, and it's excellent for conferences. A lot of big groups come here, captive insurance companies come down to, let's get on our sunglasses. It's a nice bright sunny day. A lot of the corporate companies come to the Westin for their group conventions and seminars and workshops. Over there is the guest shop where, again, if you want towels, if you want beach stuff, you want shade, you want to be up on the, oh, that's pretty cool. Like, that is awesome. I think I'd like to make one of these at my place, because we live near the water as well, so that would be pretty cool. I'm just looking at that. That would be pretty awesome, guys, to make something like that. I just got a little, that would be awesome for me to create one of these by our place. We live in the canal and do like a little food demonstrations on the bottom and people eat at the top. Wouldn't that be awesome? Okay, so we're going to a nice little look at this nice people have the balconies in the back here if you want, you know, this hotel 2 stories. So if you want to have little private balconies and all that in the back, I think that's awesome how they made them all private. You know, they're separated from the other person. Volleyball if you want to do some sports. You want to do some jet skiing, paddle boarding, sailing, diving.